Part of my job as a property photographer, taking photos of the houses, of the streets, of the view, of the external gardens, all that kind of stuff. But there's one bit which I regularly take a photo of, which isn't necessarily pretty or isn't necessarily never used for marketing. But anytime I see one, I'm like, oh, that looks nice. And I'll show you what it is just now. It's not in the property, but it is the stairwell. The lighting, as a photographer, rather than just a property photographer, the lighting in stairwells is sometimes just so beautiful. Even though it's just a boring stairwell, but in this property I've just come out and I was like, oh, got to take a photo of just how lovely that is. Look at that. That may make me seem really weird, but just how the light from a stairwell on the first floor up, you've got the skylight up there, and just how that, and then you've got the incandescent lights down there, just the beautiful, look at that, that's lovely. Oh, I love a good stairwell. A stairwell that's nicely lit by natural light, creating its own little shadow, its own little crepuscular rays. Just, yep, pretty weird. Oh, love it. Beautiful. And it's same on the ground floor. Just lovely. And then when you look up, ooh, really need to clean my lens.